Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm at Nicholas's house. He's doing my capstone work for me. And so he's showing me how to 3D print on his fancy 3D printer. For context here, I printed the big part, but this top thing was only like that tall, and it took 16 hours on my printer. And Nicholas is printing it bigger with 2 extra parts, and it's going to be done in 6.5 hours. How do you respond to the allegations of witchcraft?
Witchcraft.
That's a good defense.
Mm-hmm.
Shit is printing. Hey.
And so what it's doing now is it's doing a little purge run where it pushes out a little bit of filament and then drags the nozzle across the brass scrub brush.
That's a lot nicer than the boogie wipe enders do. Or it's just on this side of the print bed.
Mm-hmm. So I'm always printing things far too large.
Yeah.
And then I do the first layer decently slowly.
That's good. Gosh, and it auto levels. Because I just had that panic moment where I'm like, is it leveled? Is it going to stick?
So actually I have a bed mesh saved as well.
So you got
so
the
I have like
3D.
a 7x7 grid of points on the bed. So it knows the exact location of each point.
That's bullshit. I've just been informed that this is how fast it runs when it's not doing the first layer. I'm a little bit scared. Okay, this is wild. Oh my gosh, I bet you can just chew through filament though.
Turn your camera over to the filament roll.
Oh no. Oh my god. That's absurd. Oh my gosh. Come on, do the thing again. Do the thing again.
There you go.
But it's, oh, there. No, because there were like standing waves on it.
There we go.
There we go. Look at that. That's absurd. Okay, so it seems to be maxing out at 200 millimeters per second. For context, my max speed is usually 50 millimeters per second. When I'm feeling fancy, I'll do 60. So.
Witchcraft.
How many kilograms?
3.
3 kilograms.
3 kilograms.
3. I mean, okay, it's not as. So we just did the math. This thing can extrude about an inch of plastic from the roll a second.
Yep.
At its top speed.
Goes fast.
I'm terrified. This thing's gonna kill me in the robot uprising.
Yeah. Well, no, it'll make the things to kill you in the robot uprising.
It's printing now.
Yep.
I'm gonna go take a nap. Thank you, Nicholas.
I'm gonna go work.
Thank the Academy. Bye.
Bye.